Jai Gurudev students. So today you can see in my board I have written one question. Okay, so based on this question today we will discuss. At first we need to read the question. What is this? Subtract the difference of 65 and 70 from 10. কি বলেছে? Subtract করো মানে বিয়োগ করো। কি বিয়োগ করো? The difference of 65 and 70. Difference of 65 and 70. তো difference মানে কি? What is difference? Difference is the result which comes from subtraction. So whenever you have been told to subtract the difference of 65 and 70, that means we need to find out the difference between 65 and 70. And after that, what has been given? From 10. That means the difference which we gather from this one, from 70 and 65, it will be again subtracted from 10. অর্থাৎ এই 65 আর 70 থেকে আমরা যে ডিফারেন্সটা পাবো মানে যে রেজাল্টটা পাবো ওইটাকে আমরা কি করব, ওইটাকে আবার 10 থেকে আমরা মাইনাস করব এবং এটাই আমাদেরকে করতে বলেছে। সাবট্রাক্ট দ্য ডিফারেন্স অফ 65 and 70 ফ্রম 10। এই দুইটা ডিফারেন্সকে সাবট্রাক্ট দ্য ডিফারেন্স অফ 65 and 70। আমি যদি আলাদা করে মার্ক করি তাহলে কি দেখা যাবে? সাবট্রাক্ট বিয়োগ করো। কি বিয়োগ করো? দ্য ডিফারেন্স অফ 65 and 70। তো আমি যতক্ষণ না পর্যন্ত 65 আর 70 ডিফারেন্স জানতে পারছি, till then we can't subtract from 10. At first we need to find out the difference of 65 and 70. This one will be our first step, and the second step will be from 10. That means the difference we gather from here, it will be again subtracted from 10. So at first what to do? Don't get confused in these questions. At first we need to subtract these two, and after that we need to subtract from 10. So 70 minus 65 equals to 10. It will be 6. 10 minus 5 equals to 5, and 6 minus 6 equals to 0. So no need to write the 0. It will be 5. After that, subtract the difference of 65 and 70. So the difference of 65 and 70 is 5. So we need to subtract this one from 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So the answer will be 5. Okay, now what to do? See, you are in class 3, so you will be provided with the larger digits. So I am rubbing it and I am writing the actual digit. Rupees 183.25 and 164.48 from rupees 50. So this one is from your money chapter, so rupees symbol is mandatory. So how to write at first? See, subtract the difference. We know this will be solved by two steps. So step number 1, you can write step number 1. It's for it will help you, okay, for identify the steps. So subtract the difference of, so our first work is to do the subtraction here. So the difference of rupees 183.25 and 164.48. So we need to write it here. The difference of rupees 183.25 and rupees 164.48 is equals to, you can write, the answer will be here, no doubt, but we need to do the calculation. So in rough portion you will do the calculation. Rupees 164.48. So at first it will be 15 and it will be 11, because 4 can't be subtracted from 1, so it will be 11. So it will be, the 3 will become 2, Again 4 can't be subtracted from 2, so we consider this one as 12, and after that it will be 7, so 6 can be subtracted from 7, so it will be there. No need to take any loan from anywhere, no need to borrow anything. Now 15 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 7, 11 minus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 12 minus 4 equals to 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 7 minus 6 is 1, and the rupee symbol will be here. So rupees 18.77 paise. I am highlighting this one with a box, 18.77. And after that what we need to do, the step number 2 is we need to subtract this one. We need to subtract the difference of these two, 183.25 and rupees 164.48. So what is the difference of 183.25 and 164.48? The difference is rupees 18.77. So we need to subtract this one from 50. So step number 2, what we need to write? Okay students, so as you can see in my board, space is very limited, so what you need to do, you need to pause the video and you need to write it down at first, and after that we will proceed for the step 2. Okay, so I am rubbing this. So step number 2, what is step number 2? By, you can write step number 2 here, by subtracting rupees 18.77 from 50, rupees 50, we get, comma, let's do the subtraction here, rupees 50, rupees 18.77. Here all student makes mistake. What will they write? They will write 7 and 7 here as nothing is there. But students, after the point 0 has no value, that's why we are not using 0. But at the time of any calculation, we need to write it. Suppose 50 is here, that means 0.2 zeros will be there. But after পয়েন্টের পর 0 কোনো ভ্যালু নেই যতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত না তুমি এখানে একটা 7 লিখছো বা 5 লিখছো বা 3 লিখছো. Again I am telling that after point 0 has no value till you are writing any number, maybe 3, maybe 4, then only the 0 will get its value. So যেহেতু ভ্যালু নেই তাই 50 এর পরে কোনো পয়েন্ট দেওয়া হয় না, বাট ইন কেস অফ ক্যালকুলেশন, কোনো ক্যালকুলেশনের সময় আমাদেরকে পয়েন্ট দিয়ে 0 বসাতে হবে যদি পয়েন্টের পর কিছু না থাকে. সো ফলোইং দিস থিং, সি হোয়াট ইজ দেয়ার 10, and we know how to take common loan, so we will take this one as common and after that we will write 499. একটা কথা মনে রাখবে, এই পয়েন্ট দেখে কেউ মনে করবে না যে দুটো আলাদা আমি কি করে করব. You can take it anywhere, means in any way you can take it, and you need to do the calculation and after that you will put the point so that you will not get confused. So 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 7 8 and 9 2, 9 minus 8 1 and 4 minus 1 is 3, so rupees 31.23. So the answer is, you can write in simple way, the final answer, the final result is equals to rupees 31.23. Finish. Okay, so going for the next one. Okay, so now time for the next one. see what has been given, by how much rupees 20 is less than 25, or by how much rupees 25 is exceeds 20. In first case, what has been given to you? In first case, they are telling that by how much 20 is less than 25. Now it is clear that 20 is less than 25. 20 25 থেকে ছোট। কোশ্চেন করা হয়েছে by how much it is less। আমরা সবাই জানি যে 25 থেকে 20 ছোট, বাট কতটুকু ছোট? 2 থেকে 1 ছোট, বাট কতটুকু ছোট? 1 is lesser than 2, but by how much? 1, that means 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1 হচ্ছে গিয়ে 1 ছোট 2 থেকে। And after that, in second case, by how much rupees 25 is exceeds 20? The same question, the difference is the language is different. প্রথমে বলা হয়েছে যে 20 25 থেকে কতটা ছোট, আর সেকেন্ডে বলা হচ্ছে 25 20 কে কতটা এক্সিটস করেছে। ঠিক আছে, প্রথমটাতে বলা হয়েছে that 20 is how much less than 25, and in second question you 25 is how much by how much 25 exceeds, মানে ওভারটেক করে গেছে। ওভারটেক মানে এগিয়ে যাওয়া, মানে ছাপিয়ে বেরিয়ে গেছে, তার মানে 20 এর পরে 25 আসছে। সো in first case you will be provided with one smaller number or one lesser number, and you will be asked to find out this less number is how much less than the greater number. তো প্রথম কোশ্চেনে তোমাকে একটা ছোট একটা সংখ্যা দেওয়া হবে, দিয়ে বলা হবে যে এই যে ছোট সংখ্যাটা এই ওই বড় সংখ্যাটার থেকে কতটা ছোট। and in second question you will be provided with the larger number, একটা বড় নাম্বার দেওয়া হবে এবং বলা হবে যে by how much it exceeds the smaller number, এই বড় নাম্বারটা সেই স্মলার নাম্বারকে বা ছোট যে নাম্বার আছে ওইটাকে কতটা এক্সিটস করেছে, সে কতটা পার করে গেছে। ক্লিয়ার? নাও উই নিড টু ডু, see these two maths are same but the language is different, but the calculation, the procedure all will be same. So I am doing for this one, so that if you face any confusion regarding this word exceed, you can do it. So I am doing this with proper numbers. By how much does rupees 61.23 exceeds rupees 30.35, okay? So I am doing this by how much. Now for statement, what to write? In single line we need to write rupees 61.23 exceeds. In your coming years you will get the idea why I have putting s here, why I have put s here, because does is there, and when it comes to singular number, third person singular number, we need to put s. So detailed things you will get in your coming years. Now we need to just remember this one, we need to write exceeds. Rupees 61.23 exceeds rupees 30.35 by, okay? Now simply we will do the subtraction. 61.23 minus rupees 30.35, okay? Now what we need to do, 13, so 13 minus 5, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, 8, it will be 1, and it will become 11, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 8, okay? So it will be 0, so 0 minus 0 is 0, and 6 minus 3 is 3. So here is the answer, rupees symbol will be there. So answer, the same thing we will write again, rupees 61.23 exceeds rupees 30.35 35 by rupees 30.88. Finished. Okay, so now you need to practice these two types of maths which I have discussed today. So and after that we will start multiplication. So till then, Jai Gurudev.